Binance, which is the largest cryptocurrency exchange globally, has denied claims made in a Forbes article that suggested it moved $1.8 billion belonging to its users. The article stated that Binance transferred the funds quietly between August 17 and early December 2022, which were meant to be used as collateral for securing stablecoins, leaving users with unsecured money. According to Patrick Hillman, Chief Strategy Officer of Binance, moving money across wallets is normal and not an issue. Because there are wallets and a ledger, Hillman claimed, there was no mixing. According to Forbes, Circle's stablecoin, USD Coin, USDC, was utilized to embezzle $1.1 billion from customers and send it to a high-frequency trading firm called Cumberland/DWR in Chicago. The article suggests that Binance may have aided in the conversion of the collateral to its own stablecoin, Binance $BUSD. According to Forbes, Binance provided hundreds of millions of dollars in funding to other significant players in the cryptocurrency ecosystem. This included Justin Sundstrom, TRX, Sam Bankman-Fried's Alameda Research, and the Amber Group. Forbes claimed that Binance imitated FTX's pre-bankruptcy moves by similarly manipulating its clients' money. According to U.S. authorities, FTX allegedly paid money to Alameda Research despite it being against the law. In response to Forbes' charges of improper handling of user funds, Binance said there had been no misconduct. The company's spokesman confirmed that the in-question transactions were a part of their internal billing procedures. Moreover, they had no bearing on the collateralization of user assets. While Binance has previously acknowledged that wallet management processes for Binance Peg token collateral have not always been flawless, at no time was the collateralization of user assets affected. Processes for managing our collateral wallets have been fixed on a longer-term basis, and this is verifiable on-chain. The exchange has been involved in several circumstances that have damaged its reputation. Notably, the CEO of FTX accused the CEO of Binance of planning the demise of his exchange, and there was controversy when Binance failed to collateralize its BUSD stablecoin by up to $1 billion. After years in which reserves were combined with customer funds and at least one significant stablecoin, Binance Peg BUSD was not always completely supported. Binance recently announced it was switching to a semi-automated procedure for managing the reserves of its tokens.